Hi there, this is David with Tesla Blue Freedom video, and I'm going to talk to you today about using actually Smart Summon. Does it work or doesn't it? And I'm just going to call it Smart Summon from now on because I don't really like using the acronym that they have. Let me go ahead and bring the app up on my phone. All right, we have that here. We are looking on the phone. There is Summon. I'm going to bring out Summon, and it is locating the car. It is locating us. Now what I want to do is I want to click on this button right here that puts where I want it to go. Now what I do is I move the map, not the crosshair. I move the map to get it to go where I want. Now you can see there's a video, a satellite image of that. So I'm going to now press and hold go to target. There's go to target. It's blue. Now the car started up. You can hear that and you can see it moving now. I got to hold the button. There goes the car. And we're just going to keep watching the car as it goes. And it's going to keep going. You can see it here on the phone. It's portraying it on the map, the satellite image. You can also see on the phone the dash cam image of where it is going. I wanted to test this in an empty parking lot because there's no other cars to run into. But I have done this in a parking lot that had other cars in it, and it did not have any problem with the cars there. You can see it's now way off on the other side of the parking lot. It has gotten to where it thinks the crosshairs are in the parking lot. Now you'll notice there's a whole bunch of parking places there, and I'm still holding that button and it's not doing anything. It did not pull into any of those parking places. Until you can actually get it to go and say park yourself, go into a parking place and park there, then actually Smart Summon go to target is really not going to be very useful. Now we need it to come to us. I'm going to push this button right here that has a person on it, and it says come to me down at the bottom. Let's do that. I'm going to press it and hold it, and we're going to watch now. We see the dash cam video. We see the car on the map, and we see the car off in the distance, and guess what? It's moving. It's all on its own. Notice it is staying with the painted lines in the parking lot. It's not cutting across them like you or I would, and just maintaining the proper lanes to come back to us. And here it comes. You can see it's still moving. I'm having to hold this button because if I let go of that button, it will stop moving. And that is probably a safety thing, but I think it's better off if I just said come to me, and it would come to me regardless. Does it look like it's stuck? Car is not moving, but it says move closer. So I guess the car has gotten a little bit too far away for this range. Okay, here we are on the Tesla website. I have gone to the search box in the upper right hand corner and I have typed in Smart Summon. It gave me a list of pages and I selected one that said Smart Summon, where you can park your car or retrieve it, and we know that doesn't work. But here we are on the Summon page. I'm going to scroll down to the place where it's talking about the range of Smart Summon, and I'm going to go ahead and have it read it. This is Microsoft Edge's Read Aloud facility.
Operating range. To use Summon, your phone must be connected to Model Y and within 279 feet, 85 meters, of the vehicle.
85 meters.
If Summon moves Model Y more than 279 feet, 85 meters, away from the connected phone while Summon is active, vehicle speed is limited to 3 miles per hour, 5 kilometers per hour. If Model Y is more than 328 feet, 100 meters, away from the connected phone, Summon pauses, and if Model Y is over 345 feet, 105 meters, away, Summon comes to a stop and completes. In any of the cases above, the Tesla mobile app provides haptic feedback and displays a message informing you that Model Y is close to, or has exceeded, the operating range of the feature.
So now we know if you're on Smart Summon sending it away and you send it to 279 feet away, it will slow down to no more than 3 miles per hour. If your car gets to 328 feet away, it will pause, which means you will have to let go of the button and press it again to keep it going, but it's only got a little bit farther it can go. In this case, if it gets to 345 feet away, 105 meters, it will complete the send and come to a complete stop, which means it goes into park, and you will be able to see that on the app. And now you can see I have walked way far out into the parking lot just to get closer to the car, and that way I can get in range and push the button and have it come back to me. And as it's starting to come back to me, you'll notice it's minding all of the painted lines in the parking lot, and it's coming all the way around, and I'm having to walk back to my original position to get to where the car can actually come to me where I want it to come. There we are. I'm going to speed up this section so that it doesn't take up too much of your time watching it. Now watch how close it comes. Let's see how close it comes. I've had it get to that distance and then quit. Well, looky here. It came right to me, finally. But this is one of the ways that we can use this Smart Summon as long as you don't have a parking lot that is so big it gets out of range. So this is a wonderful feature to have. It's not mature yet. It will work to send it to an area, not to a parking place. It will work to come to me if it's not too far away. So that's all I've got. I hope you've learned something. I know I've learned something about Tesla's actually Smart Summon. A really good idea, not fully mature. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.